Meet your new best friend for cleaning, the Diamond Shine Turbo Cleaner. A 4-pack nylon scrub brush set. It comes with 3 different multifunctional waterproof brush heads, perfect for all your cleaning needs. This cordless rechargeable scrub brush makes cleaning a breeze. In the bathroom, it handles showers, toilets, sinks, bathtubs, and tile effortlessly. With an extendable wand, it tackles all those hard-to-reach places. No more bending over and reaching with a ladder. With a spin speed of 320 RPM and 60 minutes of cleaning power on a single charge, the Diamond Shine Turbo Cleaner is your all-in-one solution. When you're done, storing it is super easy. Hang it on a hook, tuck it in a cabinet, or keep it on your cleaning supply shelf. It fits neatly and stays organized. In the kitchen, it's perfect for ovens, cooktops, sinks, countertops, and even skillets. Say goodbye to tough grease and grime. Do yourself a favor and grab your Diamond Shine Turbo Cleaner at Lowe's today.